Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you some bum workouts. The before picture in that thumbnail was from last June, and the after picture is from today. So not even a year later, and there's a pretty significant difference. And these are the workouts that I do. I do them a couple times a week. But if you did them every day, I'm sure you would get faster results. In this video, I used this workout band, but you don't have to use it. I got a set of these off of Amazon, and it comes with different elasticities, so you can use like light, extra light, heavy, extra heavy, and stuff like that. I use the heavy one. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. And if you're interested on how to grow your bum, then please just keep on watching. So for my first workout, I'm going to be doing a squat with a pulse. You'll see what that means if you don't know. And I'm doing it with the band. You don't have to use this. I just want to. For my next workout, I'm just going to be doing squat pulses, and I don't really do a certain number of these, I just do it until I can't do it anymore. Make sure you keep your butt squeezed through all of these workouts as well. Now I'm going to be doing like squatted side to side walks, and I'm going to be doing 15 that way and 15 back that way 3 times. And now I'm going to be doing half pulse sumo squats, and I'm going to be doing 3 sets of 20 of these. And a sumo squat is you just like put your feet facing out like that, a little further than shoulder width apart. Now I'm going to be doing some donkey kicks, and I'm going to do 15 on each leg, and I'm going to do it 3 times. And then for my last workout, I'm going to be doing fire hydrants, and I'm going to be doing 3 sets of 15 on each leg. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.